Dear students, before summer we have completed the entire syllabus and some important theory questions has been given to you for the point of for the examination point of view. From after reopening, we are going to we are going to revise the entire syllabus in the examination point of view. For this purpose, for uh, for this purpose, I want to start bank reconciliation statement as the first chapter in the process of revision. We have already we have already learned about bank reconciliation statement very clearly. Uh, nearly we have solved more than nearly we have solved 20 problems in the bank reconciliation statement at the first time. Now we are going to learn in the examination point of view, and I try to solve the problems which are given in the AKNU Adikavi Nana University old question papers. For this, it is useful to recollect the subject when I teach it the first time. In the now it is useful to recollect in the examination point of view. Then only you will be able to solve the problems. You will be able to solve the problems. First, first I will read out a problem. The problem has been uploaded through your WhatsApp group also. From the following particulars, ascertain the balance that would appear in the cash book of Sri Ram and Co. as on 31st March 2017. From the following particulars, ascertain the balance that would appear in the cash book of Sri Ram and in the in the passbook of would appear cash book of Sri Ram and Company as on 31st March 2017. First, number 1, debit balance as per passbook as on 31st March 2013 540. Second point, checks drawn but not presented for payment 2800. Checks drawn but not presented for payment 2800. Number 3, checks paid into bank but not cleared up to 31st March 2017 3900. Fourth point, interest on overdraft not entered in the cash book 20 rupees. Number 5, insurance premium paid by the bank but not entered in the cash book 400. Insurance premium paid by the bank not entered in the cash book 400. Last point, number 6, interest on investment collected by the bank appeared in the passbook only 500. Interest on investments collected by the bank appeared in the passbook only 500 rupees. This is the problem given in the AKNU old question paper. So in the above problem in the above problem, balance as per debit balance of the passbook has been given. If the debit balance of the passbook has been given, we have to find out the balance of the cash book. We have to find. So first we have to take passbook. First we have to take the balance of the passbook which is given in the problem. If we take passbook, then if we take first which is the given in the balance of the balance of the any book. Passbook balance has been given, so first we have to take passbook balance. Later we have to find out cash book balance. మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే పాస్బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. తర్వాత ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి పాస్బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. తర్వాత దాన్ని క్యాష్ బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సి ఉంది. ఇచ్చిన పుస్తకాన్ని ముందు తీసుకుంటాం, కనుక్కోవాల్సిన పుస్తకాన్ని ఏం చేస్తామంటే తర్వాత తీసుకుంటాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ నోన్ టు యూ. సో పాస్బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ పాస్బుక్, డెబిట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ పాస్బుక్ గివెన్ 540. So it should be debited in the so it is debited in the debit side of the passbook. Next, second point, checks drawn but not presented for payment. Checks drawn but not presented for payment. It is created in the. It has to be credited in the cash book. So so it becomes to add. Number 3, checks paid into bank but not cleared up to 31st March 2017, 3,900. Checks paid into bank but not cleared is debited in the it is debited in the cash book. So the so the it is so it is it becomes a credit. Next, number 4, interest on overdraft not entered in the cash book. Interest on overdraft not entered in the cash book. Interest on overdraft not entered in the cash book. Interest on overdraft not entered in the cash book. Not interest on overdraft not entered in the cash book means interest of the overdraft recorded in the passbook, debit side of the passbook only. So we have also recorded in the interest of the overdraft recorded in passbook, debit side of the passbook. So it becomes less. Next, point number 5, insurance premium paid by the bank not entered in the cash book, 400. It is also recorded in the debit side of the passbook only. So it is also less. And the sixth point, interest on investment collected by the bank appeared in the passbook only. Interest on the investment collected by the bank appeared in the passbook only. Appeared in the passbook only. So it is recorded in the credit side of the passbook. So it is also becomes add. Now how many items are added and how many items should be less, we know the above passbook and cash book. Later we have to later we have to make the statement in order to calculate the balance in order to calculate the balance of the cash book. First, heading is bank reconciliation statement of Sriram as on 31st March 2017. Particulars, amount inner column and amount outer column. First, we have to take debit balance of the debit balance as per passbook. Debit balance as per passbook 540. Later we have to take add items. Number 1, checks collected, checks drawn but not presented. Checks drawn but not presented, 2,800 rupees. 2,800 rupees. Number 1. Second point, interest on investments recorded in passbook only. Interest on investments recorded in passbook only. Interest on investments recorded in passbook only. That means it is created in the passbook. So this is also add. These those only 2 items from passbook and cash book. We know additions, 2 items, these two. If we add these 2 items, 2,800 and 500, 3,300, we have to add and shown in the outer column. The above balance, it is to be added to the balance as per the debit balance 540. If these two added, we get 3,840. Later less items we have to take. Less items, there are 3 less items from passbook and cash book statements. Checks paid into bank but not cleared up to 31st March 2017, 3,900. Interest on OD recorded in cash book 20 rupees. Insurance premium paid by the bank not entered in the passbook 400. These 3 are the less items. If we add these 3 times, total amount is 4,320. So this 4,320, the amount 3,840 reduced from 4,320, then we get 480 balance. It is a favorable balance as per passbook. This is the problem. Thank you.